Everyone, so in CISCO Modeling Lab we will do some basic lab. So let me add a new lab, and here what I will do, I will take some basic. So here we are going to learn how we can take the machine, the endpoints. So end devices we can take. I am taking one PC here, another PC, and then we can assign the IP address and we can make the communication between the different machine. So first I will change the name of this machine. So I taken two computer, we can say this is a Linux machine. You need to click here and you need to assign here. I will give the device name as a PC1, and here also I will give the device name as a PC2. So I am giving PC1, PC2, and then we can connect also. So here right click and here add a link and then click that device, create the link. So this is the two machine we are going to use. If you want to power on, just right click and start the device. Again right click, start the device. After that, if you want to take the console, you can take the console of the device here. Open the console, and the other PC do the same thing. Take the console, open the console, and you can refresh if you want to refresh, and you can move this here, the top, and whatever IP schema you want to use. Example, here I want to use 192.168.1.1/24 for this computer. I want to assign this IP to this computer, and for this computer I want to assign the IP 192.168.1.2/24. So I will write here whatever I want to assign. So here I will assign this IP. For PC2 I will assign this IP. So if you see, we are here, we are here. So what we can do here, we need to log in this one. This is a PC1, this is a PC2. So we will log in now. So if you want to log in, how we can log in and how we can check, we will see that one. We have the login detail also. So let me see here how we can log in. Here if you keep here the login detail, we can check from here also. I am taking this device, so if I keep my mouse here, you can see here if they are showing. Yeah, if you see here, just keep your mouse here in the device and you can see user account is configured CISCO by default. So login detail will be CISCO. So I will write here CISCO, click here and then CISCO, then press enter, then write again CISCO and press enter. You are inside now in the PC1. After that, if you want to assign the IP here, you will go to the super user. So you will write sudo su. So you will go inside that one. So now you are a super user. So if you want to assign the IP, first if you want to check the IP, you can write if config to check the IP. If you see here, you don't have any IP address here. So now you want to assign the IP. So you will write if config, give space ETH0 and then give space and write the IP, what IP you want to assign. You want to assign 192.168.1.1. After that, give space and write here net mask and give the subnet mask. Subnet mask we are using 255.255.0 and press enter. So we assign the IP. Now we need to configure the gateway. So we will use the gateway. So how we will assign the gateway? We need to write root, then give space, write add, give space and write default, give space, write GW, and here put the gateway. So now we don't have any gateway, no need for gateway, but anyhow I will put gateway, any IP, like I can say 1.10 is a gateway. Okay, and for which interface? For ETH0. So I will put this one. So this way we will assign the gateway also. If you want to check, you can write show if config and press here enter, and you can see here what you will get here. You can see this is the IP just now what we configured. This is the IP, and here is the subnet mask you have. And if you want to check the gateway, you can write here like root. We can type root and wait for some time, then you can see the gateway also. Okay, we will see that one. You can see here we have the gateway here. So this one 192.168.1.10 I assign the gateway. This is a gateway. Same thing now we will do for PC2, then we can ping. So login detail, as we told, we have the Cisco. So I will write Cisco, then I will write here Cisco. Okay, I think I typed some wrong. So again it came, so I will write here Cisco, then enter, and then again I will write Cisco, then I go enter, and now I need to log in as a super user. So I will do sudo super user, then I need to assign the IP. So I will write IP config ETH0, and then what IP I want to configure. Example, I want to configure 192.168.1.2. then net mask we will write. If you want to assign the, what we can say, if you want to assign the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and then you can configure the default route, but we don't have default route now, but anyhow I will configure default gateway. We will configure, that is a gateway, default gateway, whatever the gateway we want to assign. So here gateway we assign, I think 1.100 or 1.10, so I will give that one only. So this way we will configure. Okay, and after that if you want to check, you can write if config, so you will have the detail. This is the IP address we configure, and this is the subnet mask we configure. If you want to check the gateway what we configure, you will write the route and wait for some time. You will get here the detail. See here, this is the gateway. Now we can ping and check. If you see, I will write ping, and I am here in the PC2, so PC1 IP is 1.1, so I will ping. So you see here I am here in the PC2, I am pinging to PC1, 1.1 is reply is coming. Same thing I will go to PC2, I will write here ping, and I will write 192.168.1.2 and press enter, and you see here reply is coming. So this PC is pinging to this one, this PC is pinging to this one. You can check here, both are pinging to each other. And if you want to capture this one, you can capture. Let me see here, click this cable and click packet capture, so you can capture the packet also. Here you need to start, and here whatever is going on, it will show you which packet you want to capture, which protocol you want to capture. Select that one. So example, I want to capture ICMP, so I filter. You can see ICMP like 192.168.1.2 is sending to 1.1, they are sending ICMP, that is ping command. If you want to see in more detail, click that one like this, click. When you click, you will have this one, and you can see here. So we have the internet control message protocol ICMP. Inside that what they are sending, we can see here. We can make big, and we can see here we are sending the ping. And we have the internet protocol, we are using the version 4. Source is 192.168.1.2 and the destination is 192.168.1.1. Okay, and if you open also, you can see this is the IP header, IP protocol, this one, and this is the version we are using, and header size is 20 bytes. And if you want to see the Ethernet frame, click this one. So this is the Ethernet frame. In that one you have the source MAC address, destination MAC address. Here you can see. Okay, and we can minimize, and if you want to, this will stop automatically when you select that one. Again, if you want to start, click this start, so it will start again. And if you want to capture this one, double click that one and open, and you can see here like this one is a ping packet. You can see here ping we are doing, and if you want to check here, you can see the source IP is this one, destination IP is this one, and which protocol we are using, ICMP we are using. And if you want to check the frame, you can see this is a destination MAC address, this is a source MAC address. So this information also you can see. Okay, and if you don't need this, then click like this, so it will close, and this is continuously they are sending the ping. PC1 is pinging to PC2, PC2 is pinging to PC1. If you want to stop, click here and press Ctrl C, so it will stop. Here also go, and go here also, and click here and press Ctrl C, so it will stop. Okay, so this is a basic lab we done here in the CISCO Modeling Lab. As you already know, this is a freely available, up to 5 devices we can use here. So I use 2 computer here. You can take this computer. Okay, you can take this one. This is a Linux machine we are using just for lab purpose. We can use this one. Yeah, like you are using the VPC, you are using the computer like that, you can use this. Okay, so now I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any doubts, write in the comments. Thank you. Bye.